Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we are getting enormous comments and suggestions from the YouTube viewers. We thank all of you for your supports and the trust what you are having with us. So now let us show you the performance of yesterday, what happened in the stock market using our MST iCore 2.0 indicator. So once you have subscribed to indicator, the indicator will be available on your chart from the invite only option. Now go to the indicator settings and scroll down at the bottom left and give reset settings. And don't forget, we have to give a little amount to the market and we have to aim for the big amount. So that is why I am trying to keep tiny 2 and tiny 2 targets. This is the only thing we have to change after opening the market. Rest all the things are same. Now consider the market is just opened. What we are supposed to do? We don't have to do anything except following the system. The system will generate everything on behalf of you. It will analyze all the thing for you. It will plot everything for you, and you will have to follow only the methods. So now today what happened? Market has just opened and it has opened gap down, and immediately after opening it has come near our buy zone, but buy zone not activated. Okay, and here we have got a very good bullish bearish R3C, that also you can consider. But if you are following our MST iCore 2.0 static method, as of now no buy or sell activated. We are waiting still with buy call option 43,800 call option and put option 44,300 put option. So when the market is coming down, you have to take 200 points in the money, deep ITM. When the market is going here, we have to go 200 points in the money, deep ITM. Okay, so that we will get a movement in accordance with the spot prices. So now we are waiting, still waiting, no entry. Yeah, we got the entry. Now we have got the entry perfectly. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. So we are going to remove the sell because buy got activated. Since first buy activated, we are going to also enable the second sell targets, because if we sell hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Do not forget. Okay, now my setting is clear. I am waiting for the targets of 43,939. When the spot price is coming here, I will exit at the current market price, or I will revise my stop loss to cost. So whichever we want, that we can take it. So now first target hit. Once again we got buy entry with very good confirmation of bullish R3C as well as zero doji candle, and market has over. Market time is got over, and perfectly we got our 2 targets hit in our bank nifty. What about the nifty? That also we will see. Go to the nifty spot price. See, nifty perfectly 3 targets achieved, from buy zone to 3 targets perfectly, all the targets achieved. So if you want me to replay that also, I can replay. If you want me to do reset settings also, that I will do, because I am not going to hide anything from you. The only thing what I will do, I will just reduce my stop loss. Instead of having tiny SL, I will reduce my stop loss. I am going to reduce here to tiny 2 and tiny 2 targets. Okay, so now this is previous day, sell activated, SL hit, buy activated, targets hit. This is yesterday, exactly buy activated, all the targets, 2 targets hit. And today market is just open. See, market has opened gap down, and we are waiting for the entry 19,300 call option, and with put option buy call at for 19,500 put option. Now buy got activated. Now buy got activated. Since buy activated, we are going to take the call option buy, and we are going to remove the sell option. We are going to enable the first buy targets. We are going to enable the second sell targets. If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. Very simplest concept. Okay, everything is clear. If market is coming down, then it will come and touch the midpoint and it will reverse. That is why I added the midpoint. The midpoint is called as DBP, day bottom pivot. DTP means day top pivot. So I am waiting for the target. 19,380 hit, 19,411 hit, 19,441 that also hit. Market is over now. So perfectly, three targets also hit in the Bank Nifty. SL is small, target is big. Okay, hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. And you can take any stock, any script. Okay, natural gas, copper, gold, silver, whatever it is there in the world, for everything we have the solution of getting good result. So hope this educational video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please call us through WhatsApp or WhatsApp us through text in this number 9500009154. Our sales executives will be there to guide you and support you and to answer all your queries. Hope this video is helpful. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, immediately subscribe to our YouTube channel and like, comment and share to all your beloved ones who wants to make career in stock market. And one more thing, whoever has already subscribed to our indicator, please go to our indicator and press the boost button or like button so that it will be shown how many are using our indicator. Hope this is very clear. If you get any doubts, please ask us through WhatsApp. We will be very happy to help you all. Thank you. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.